Let's see how to create application with V0 and Figma. V0 is that application. It helps you to create code from your design and create the application you want. It's possible to create prompt or to import Figma file, and that's what we'll do today. So let's move again to Figma. Here in Figma, I have a simple application that I designed for myself. It is helpful to create prompt in more easy way. Let's see how it's work. So basically, this is the application. I have a basic prompt here, a male, light, medium skin tone, short bread. He wears a bunny with color blue. Basically, this is a description of myself, and I have here the pose of my body and what I wear. So I wanted to make an application that I can change the variants and then create many images for the YouTube thumbnail. So I can create the images more easy. Here, if I click on baseball cap, I can change to Benny and play with the colors. Now, I can add more variants, but I want to start from something simple and not very complicated. And slowly, I iterate and add more variants and more options. Here we are in Figma. I need to share the link for this file with V0, and then it will make the magic. So I copy the share link, and then I click import from Figma, paste the URL, and here you can see all the assets of. I will click on confirm, and let's run it. I added also a prompt, as you saw before, that explains what the application does. In the meantime, it's generate the application. This is the prompt I added, act like a developer, and basically explain what the app does. Here now it's create the code. Let's wait a little bit. It can create time. At the end, we create application from zero for a Figma file without a developer. For me, it's a magic. I mean, it's something that I wanted to do long. I wish to have something like that, and now I see it's happening. So here we have the result. I mean, it didn't add the selector inside the text as I wish, but here, okay, I can fix it. But basically, I mean, it's amazing that so easy to make an application, although it's very simple one, works well. And a part of that, I see that the text is not the same red bunny color red, so it's not exactly the text. So I can continue iterate on that if I want and fix it. I will be able to finish it and have the application an easy way. Also, I will make sure that the selector inside the text, it will be a little bit more complex, but I believe I can do it. So what I will do now, I have here a selector. I will select this box and apply changes. So I have here the changes. This is, I write it, this is the text, please fix it, and I copy the paste that I have in the Figma file. Let's see if it's work. No, it didn't change the text, so let's go deeper here. A male, light, medium skin tone and short hair. He wears baseball cap in the color red, green pullover. He makes intense eye contact tied to the camera. Let me compare it, please. Okay, all the text is okay, apart of this part. So what I will do, click here, select this one, and say that fixed the text. This is the correct text. So I say to it, fix the text. This is the correct text, and I copy it from the Figma file. Okay, I will be more specific here. I will select this one, and I write it, eliminate the word red. I will say that eliminate the word red. So I see that it's eliminated the word red, but not what I wanted, because it was double, because it was two word red there. What I will do, I will work from the code, so it will be more easy. I mean, it's possible to change it with prompt, but if I know how to do it manually, in that case, it will be more easy. So I'm here in the code one. I click here on code. Let's find the text. So as you can see, I eliminate the variant red here. And what I will do now, I will add it in the text where it needs to be. So let's see one moment in Figma where it needs to be. A male, light means color. He wears a baseball cap in color red. So this one I will copy. Go to the code. We are now in the code. I paste it here, save. Perfect. Now the text is correct. Let's do another thing here. I will select all the text and I will say it. The color red needs to be variant with parameters. So I write here, select all text, I write the color red needs to be variant with parameters that change. The variants are blue and red. Let's see if it will work well. No, again, it's make this problem. So what I will do now, I will change it with the code, and I believe I can do it with prompt, but if I can make it manually, it will be more fast to know how to do it. It's better. But if you don't know how to code, I'm not know how to code also, by the way, but I can read a little bit code. Don't worry, with a little bit prompt tweaking here, you will able to get what you need. At the end, I'll solve it. And as you can see here, baseball cap is here in the color blue, and I can change between Benny and the color red, and now it's work. And to be honest, I didn't thought that it would be so easy to develop it. It surprised me also. The only thing that I wanted to do is that the selectors will be inside the text and not outside, because it's more comfortable and more elegant for the application. But for now, it's okay. I hope you understand how to do it. And I encourage you to try these tools, because as designers, I can see how we will use these tools more and more, and maybe some task of the developers will move to our side. I will continue to do videos about these tools, and if you have questions, write them in the comments. That's all for today. If you need a product designer or training about AI and design, my information in the description. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.